All right, so this is our second program. And what we're going to do is have a simple counter that counts down to 0. So we have, let's some external data, for example, the count 3, it moves into the accumulator. Then we clear the carry bit, and then we do add C, A, F, F, X. And this is basically the same as subtracting 1. So subtracting 1 is adding F, F, X, which is the 2's complement. And then, so when we do this, our 3 becomes 2. And then we have this instruction which checks the contents of the accumulator, so JZ. If the accumulator is 0, then it ends, and of course since it is not 0, it's going to move to the next instruction. And this is an absolute jump which jumps back all the way to clear C, and the cycle repeats, and then it subtracts 1 again, so it becomes 1, and again this condition is not satisfied. It moves over here and moves back for one more time. And then again we bring that down, 1 minus 1 is 0. And then of course, since the accumulator becomes 0, this condition is satisfied, and then it jumps all the way to the end of the program, and it stays there forever and or until we switch off the power. So let's see it in action. So again, we have to wait for the clock to go high. Now, one thing that we can kind of do, which I'll show in a minute, is how to speed up the program. We've kind of built that facility in. So that has shown up here, right? So C3 is clear carry, so the carry bit goes to 0. So you can see now it's decremented to 2, right? And then we'll check. So since the accumulator was not 0, it moved to the next instruction. So now it should kind of jump backwards all the way to 2. So the program counter jumped from 08 to 02. So we're again going through the process. We're going to clear the carry. So now what we can also do is kind of speed up the program. So by pressing this button, we can kind of speed up the program. So that's another facility that's available. So we can say I speed it up, and now it's gone to 0, 1. I can speed it up again. So it went back since the JZ condition was not satisfied. So now it's gone to 0. The accumulator has become a 0. And now I'm going to check the JZ instruction that's coming in. So it now jumped all the way to the end of the program, 09. So it stays there, gone back to 09. So it went from 09 to 0A and then back to 09. And so it stays there.